Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have their beautiful 2014 Audi Rs7. This is the 4.0, of course, with the Prestige trim level. 4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 560 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque. It is brutally hot out today. 90 degrees, like 70% humidity. All right. Sport mode in dynamic mode. Yep. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive. I've always loved the RS7. Always wanted to drive one. I've only heard good things. Some people say it's a bit numb, but that's just Audis in general aren't like Porsches, so you can't go in expecting it. But they're wrong. This thing is good. This thing is a lot of fun, especially after driving a Panamera 4S. Step into this and it's like, wow, this is just as good. That was not full throttle, by the way. Gotta love Audi's crackles. Plenty of power to merge onto the highway. There's a tiny bit of turbo lag, but not much at all. Put it into normal drive. It's got a cruise, and that's where this thing can shine as well. It's a comfortable cruiser. Stereo system is phenomenal. Can't use it because of copyright reasons, but it's just comfortable. I could cruise in this thing all day long. even on these back roads, man, this thing is good. This is really good. I've tossed around the idea of buying one of these. I might actually have to now. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.